came to you because I believe you're someone who won't stop until you find the truth. I already know the truth. The truth is I'm innocent. You're gonna help me prove it.
Let's look out forever.
What the hell is going on? Tell me about it. Is this guy Jacob for real? He really claims to have an alibi for the shooting at your house. Yep. Does it check out?
I'm a team on it, but I'm not holding my breath. This guy's a professional liar.
So what's his game? Come on, Gibbs. What does that gut of yours say?
Oh, right. The gut. I've heard about your gut.
Gibbs, give me something. You're not gonna like it. He's a fugitive. Please don't tell me that you think he's telling the truth.
Come on, like you said. We got this guy's prints at all.
Okay, I keep losing.
We got motive. We got opportunity.
Yeah. I work here too.
Have a pet panda? I think that was something.
Okay. Jacob's telling the truth.
So much for not holding your breath.
Look, I don't always know the answer, but I can tell when somebody sees something that I don't. I'm willing to ride in the Gibsonville for a little while.
If Eli DeVee had information that Jacob was framed, why not share it? Wasn't it?
Yeah, and you never know
Oh
when
my
that
gosh.
information can come in handy. Blackmail, extortion, horse trading.
Yeah, that does have the ring of Eli DeVee to it. Find those files, we see for ourselves. Just like Jacob wants. Do we have any leads?
I've been in touch with our Israeli liaison about Eva. Scuttlebutt and I had a farmhouse in the country where she might be staying. Files might be there.
All right, Gibbs, check it out. Monroe, talk to Agent Kane again, see if anything shakes out. Of course, if Jacob Scott didn't kill those people, we have an entirely different problem.
I can tell you one person that Jacob Scott definitely did not kill. I just finished typing the blood sample that we got from Jacob. He is type 8B negative. Now, whoever bled all over Dresser is type O positive. Jacob is not the killer.
And were you running the prints from my house?
Yes, Captain. Just like you asked 4 times. I get the same result every single time. The fingerprint that the geek took from your house is a perfect match to Jacob's. Too perfect. If you look, there's minor
Better not lose.
in the print. That's totally normal. But compare this print to the print from Jacob's file. They have the exact
Finally.
same minor imperfections. Now, the odds of that are 1
Oh,
in
this
not
is-
bloody likely.
I guess.
Officer Reeves may say. I think someone used Jacob's file to create a fake print.
I can't choose.
No.
These both look good.
But now is the blood DNA from whoever killed Agent Dresser, which is going to be ready in a second.
Let me know.
No,
I'm gonna jump in Silva.
literally.
Thank you very much, Silva.
Let's see who is behind door number. Count Dresser. Just when I was starting to kind of like him.
Okay.
We got a name from court cell.
Oh,
At the zoo, at least as a
good
tour.
choice.
What?
Good
Probably
choice.
visiting his family at the reptile house. Problem is he turned his cell phone off. We don't know where he is right now.
Whatever he's up to, he's not doing it for the CIA. He lied to us. Heard from a friend at NSA. Court was fired last month.
So who's he working for?
I would have none.
With Agent Monroe, I told her to wait.
I would
You take it over?
have any.
No. See what she's got. Oh, so you find Court. Take Bishop with you.
You know what that other one is, but I'm not saying it.
Not seriously. Consider answering the question, mate. Told you I wanted at the races.
But I said I want the other one.
Yeah, that's what you keep saying.
I don't care.
So this is what I want you to do. Now I want you to tell me that one more time. You won that money at the races. Can you do that? Daisy, you just open your mouth and say,
Put them back in the fridge.
I
They're
won
yours.
that
They're there.
money. 50 grand betting on horses. Can you do that for me? It's
I can't wait to find out. Same here.
Fuck this Silva.
I don't know.
good boy. Thank you.
Trent Court gave it to you, didn't he?
My associate asked you a question.
We know you and Court are buddies.
Kill.
You were finally able to trace that mystery calling was in 2002.
We know you called Court. What we don't know is why.
Court's going down. If you don't talk, you're going to go down with
Eh.
him.
Never been arrested for
bitches. And it better be pretty.
Don't really care.
Cord was the
Really?
one selling secrets to the Russians, not Jacob. He just used Jacob and his wife the day before.
And he had her killed before anyone could look too close.
It's a tiny package. Until Jacob busted out of prison and was going to blow the whole thing. I'm curious.
It's just
How have you been sleeping at night?
I didn't know Cord was going to kill Jacob's wife.
He just paid me to keep him updated
Hey.
on what NCIS was doing.
yeah, my microphone's on.
That's what the money was for.
I'm recording right now. So
I hope it was worth it.
I'm not sure we'll make it that far, but
I'll check in with 20, see if there's some leads on Cord.
He wanted to see me.
Pick him up.
Technically, I said I wanted fugitive. Then don't go anywhere. Thank you.
I wouldn't have any.
It's okay.
We got a problem.
Found Trent Cort's phone at the zoo. Not Trent Court.
It was a decoy. He must have known we were onto him.
He's running. I can guess where he's going. Israel. He disappeared right after he learned about Z-Lite. Nobody left files.
Court's probably already been blackmailed with them.
McGee, call Interpol. And then issue a red notice. Bolas and airports. Issue.
Freeway cameras and credit cards.
Contact Israeli embassy. See if they know. Look at this.
No one has claimed responsibility for the explosion at this
Yeah.
house in the Israeli countryside. But with early reports indicating the house previously belonged to
Give me a
former Mossad
question.
director Eli David, authorities are assuming a terrorist attack.
Isn't it?
Firefighters
Where's he supposed to be staying?
Yeah, we try.
Previously on NCIS. Marl's dead.
We're playing Star Stable.
former Mossad director Eli David.
Isn't it? Where's he supposed to be staying?
Yeah.
The blast occurred just hours ago in this tiny Israeli village on the outskirts of Tel Aviv. The farmhouse belonging to the former Mossad director, the late Eli David, was
Woo!
the apparent target of mortar fire just before midnight. Several terrorists
Okay.
have already claimed
Yeah.
responsibility.
More like a one-man terror group.
Where's Trent Court?
Nowhere, Gibbs. All previous means of locating or contacting
Ready?
Trent have been disconnected.
Going to the unknown.
Former CIA people, no GPS to track, nothing, boss. It's like he fell off the grid.
Spinoza.
Wait, what?
Still no Zima.
I tracked down Adam Eschel, Belgium.
Say
Yeah.
what?
Hasn't spoken to her in over a year, but he was pretty sure she was staying at her father's old house.
Really pause this. Can you still hear me? I'm waiting for this to load. Almost there. On the last page.
So you don't have to.
Woo! So happy.
is America's #1
Ooh, Star Stable.
Their administrators have paid out over
Like Star Stable. So much. What am I even doing
Wasn't for Car Shield,
anymore?
money out of pocket, and I wouldn't have been too happy. When I bought my used car, I didn't expect
We're logging in.
But when it broke down,
And
glad I
it's
had
not
Car
for a
Shield.
few
Another
minutes.
truth, I drive with Car Shield. Just
And
like you, it goes against my principles to throw money away.
I'm a host.
Who doesn't love
So
saving money on expensive car repairs? Car
My
Shield is like a
headphones
guard
off.
dog protecting my
Put
wallet,
up to my
which
mouth.
gives me real peace of mind when I drive. And you can take that to the bank. With coverage through Car Shield's administrators,
I have a limit of 15 minutes.
assistance, courtesy towing, rental reimbursement at no
Hey, so loud.
Plus, with Car Shield's nationwide coverage network, you can choose the mechanic or dealership of your choice, no
Hear
matter
that?
where you are.
So in 1 year, I saved $2,500. That's amazing.
I don't want
Car breakdowns because
the dumb
Some
clothing.
y'all sitting at home might end up just like me, walking. Especially if you get hit with a huge car repair bill you can't afford. Or you can call my friends at Car Shield and see that saving money on
It
expensive
really
car
sounds so
repairs
weird.
is really a smart move. Protect yourself now against expensive auto repair bills. Call Car Shield
sounds
for a
so
free
weird.
instant protection plan quote. Once your car breaks
I have
down,
to mute
it's
music.
too late. Call
We're gonna look for
800-456-9051. 800
Donkeys.
9051. Excuse me, everyone. Sex! Now that I have your attention. Boing! Wow.
Because someone likes their donkeys. I gotta look for donkeys. I'm pretty sure there'll be a donkey over here. I'm not sure.
Stream your favorite comedies now at peacocktv.com.
What is really surprising about this attack is that
I love
I got
exploring
Mossad to
these
confirm that
areas
Zeke has been residing in
and
the
looking for
farmhouse.
stuff. So we're gonna
That's
look
all
for
I've been willing to
donkeys
share.
in Yellowheim.
Still Masonic Court, huh? We'll find him. After this bombing, we could have easily
Oh
crossed
yes,
over to
I said it wrong.
Egypt, Jordan. Any help
I
get
don't care if I said it wrong.
Peter
Yellowheim to me.
was a safe house.
So we're gonna go
Court
to
used in
this
the past in Budapest.
house looking for
We're
donkeys.
checking out.
Good news is,
Donkeys are
you and
definitely
your
not gonna
father are out of
be
the ICU in
the
the next day or two. He gave us all
Yellowheim
quite a scare, but
this
fought
area,
hard.
but we're gonna look
We managed to
anyways.
clear that first hurdle beautifully.
This is the closest
Bad
area
news? Second
that you
hurdle?
can find.
I won't lie, he's got a long road ahead. The bullets narrowly missed
So,
his
yeah.
spine, but still caused significant nerve damage. Are you saying he's paralyzed? Nothing permanent. We anticipate problems with his right arm and leg. He faces extensive rehab, and there'll be tough times ahead. I'm
Donkeys
afraid.
here.
Been there, done that.
Nothing he can't hit.
Donkey. Donkey.
Gotta get this. Excuse me.
If you guys did this quest,
Hope I'm not interrupting, Gibbs. You haven't answered your cell phone for a couple of days, and your coworker said you'd be here.
if you
There I
play
am.
this,
So, how are you holding up?
but you don't.
Okay, then, how are you holding up?
There's
Emily, isn't it?
donkeys all.
I'm Grace.
Not great, Grace.
Yep,
To be honest.
you don't know.
Who is this
So
now?
I'm just-
A girlfriend?
Please tell me where they
Sure.
are if I don't find
Seriously?
them.
I'm not here to
5
shrink
minutes.
anyone's head, though I am
Please.
very sorry for what you're going through. If there's anything I can do.
Well, actually,
Donkey.
There is?
Well, yeah. If we're gonna catch the guy who did this, I would rather you
Is
not
the
be
microphone
alone.
off?
You mind sticking around?
It's on.
What? No, I don't even know her. I don't know you either, sweetie.
I have to
so
check
we
if
have
it's
that in
on or
common.
off.
Gibbs.
Every few
Wow,
minutes.
look at those beauties.
Your handiwork, Papa?
I'm not done yet.
Whenever I
Ran out
do
of
stuff at
polish.
school.
Hey, I can go get you some more. Is that Flamingo Drive?
Next is people can hear me.
You would do that?
Talking.
To kick those up a notch? Hey, why don't we both go?
We're looking
Grab
over
some
here
more
for
colors,
donkeys.
a couple of
I
lattes,
bet
and
there's
we'll
gonna
be
be
right
one over here.
Oh,
Wait, do I have to accept the quest again?
back. Okay, give me a second.
Caleb?
Wow, you trust me?
Caleb!
I owe you.
I'll bill you. Kidding. You asked and I came. Last
Where's
time
your
I was
sister?
a teenager.
I don't know
I was once
who
one
she
myself.
is.
Well, she's a lot more than that. I wish you luck. I think you're gonna need it.
Thanks. And you're welcome.
Donkey.
Hey.
Oh, I think she went over.
Well, I considered getting a massage.
Sorry.
But I can't find my neck. Oh, tell me about it.
Who was
Fine,
that?
Court.
I'm
I'm
just
still
going over
waiting
to
on my guys from across the
Mabel's
pond.
house.
They don't work quite as fast as we do.
For good reason. You want speed or do you want accuracy?
Gibbs. Where's Agent DeNoza?
Outside, I don't
Yeah, it
know.
is
We
really.
have a pretty big
Plane
yard.
leaves in a few hours.
She could be back there.
What is it, Director?
Hey,
I just got
oh,
a call.
neighbor's house is in the middle of a vacuum.
Tel Aviv.
Shep.
You'll want to sleep on the plane, son. I can give you a little something that works for me.
That's all right. I'm not gonna sleep, Dad.
I think I'm gonna
It's
have
gonna
to
be fine,
accept the
Junior.
quest again.
You do know that, right?
No, actually, I don't.
Well, I guess it's better to be prepared, but I've got this feeling.
Feeling of what? Feeling that she's still alive, so do I. But I don't know that she's still alive. And nobody knows anything, so what's the point in feeling anything at all?
Just wasting my
I
time.
didn't mean to make
So,
things
come on.
worse.
I know you're trying to help. And I appreciate it.
Is it? Is it blocked? Is it a barely